I did. You gotta be careful of the rocks. Dang. Hey, anybody can touch a snake? It's cool. It's cool. Okay. Just want to show everybody I'm not too scared. Man, you can feel the bones in this bad boy. He got snakes all on his head. Hey, well, them must be twins or something. These twins right here.
Yeah, like a 10.
Oh, you can hear it go.
What you be feeding? Which one? We want 8-pound rabbit.
Valerie, what you touching?
No.
This crazy. Now, I don't be around snakes like that. Let me see. I just want to be able to touch it without it looking at me. I don't like it when it's looking at me. That mug, it feel like some pig skin or something. Uh-oh. Hey, congratulations. Y'all hear it, sissy? Sissy. That's dope.
This is all I'm gonna do, so you better get it.
That's funny.
You better get it. Ooh, no, I'm about to get it. Yeah, but then, so where do you touch? Like, dogs don't like you touching the top, so you touch it.
She thinks she's a cat.
She thinks she's a cat. She like to be pet. Hey. Pretty
She
cat.
might be a little
That's how
jealous.
she be hissing.
You think I'm wait a minute. All right.
Yeah, she'll come to you. Oh, you want to take one?
No. This thing's scared. You got it.
I got it.
All right, bye-bye now.
Wow, that's wild. But yeah, y'all got a chance to see the snake. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button.